No. Aku tengah cuba fikir intro sekejap. Assalamualaikum semua. Hello dan apa khabar? Kembali lagi kita. Malas ni nak kembali lagi. Tak habis kembali lagi. Tapi ya, kembali lagi kita di dalam game horror. Bagus. Yalah, apa pun kita terus skip saja. Cuma nak bagi tahu kita dapat tambah lagi satu subscriber. Thank you so much. Which mean kita dah mencecah 20 subscriber. Aku punya target nak sampai 500. So kalau boleh, siapa yang tengok ni, subscribe lah. Tajuk game pada hari ini adalah bertajuk Mimic Search. Amy Search. Okay, bukan Amy Search. Mimic Search ni sebenarnya dia dalam tergolongan dalam video-video sebelum ni, di mana aku telah bermain, aku rasa Clap dan juga Missing Hiker. Dua game sebelum ni korang boleh tengok dekat aku tak tahu aku tak mana aku punya. Kat sini lah korang boleh tengok lah. And korang boleh like and share lah kat situ. 3 game ni free, termasuk Mimic Search ni dia free. So kalau korang nak cuba, korang ada Steam, korang download, korang buka game, korang main, korang habiskan game, habis lah. Tak payah tengok video ni. Okay, tanpa basa-basi, bismillah, let's go. Okay, kita mula dengan option. Okay, bla 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 bla. Volume kita kurangkan sikit lah. Aku tak nak dengar bunyi-bunyi kuat tau. Body cam. What the heck is that? 60, 70, 80 lah. Mungkin dengar hantu-hantu ke apa kan. Tak tahulah. Sensitivity. Okay, alright. Okay, bismillah. Let's go. Mimic Search. Made by James Okay. Creator. Okay. Laptop. Spek apa ni? Windows 7 ni siap pakai. Kawal ke? Kawal. Kawal sambil tengok laptop Ada kereta kat depan. Ada orang kat depan. Investigate the crime scene. Okay, aku ni sebagai detektif. Nice. How do I get out? Okay, main tekan je. Oh tak, polis. Okay. Hello. Okay, macam suruh detektif ni. Dalam sikit je. Dalam sikit je. So what have we got here? An abandoned car, lack of blood and nobody. Asal aku buat suara dia macam tu? And no valuables are missing. So probably a mimic doing its work. Yes, I think that's obvious. The car was smoking when I arrived here. I think the victim was driving up this road and had to stop because the engine had an issue. The victim called roadside assistance while a mimic was hiding behind the bush. Aku tahu nama tajuk game Mimic, tapi Mimic ni apa? Aku tahu hantu. Jenis hantu, tahu. That thing was probably one of the big ones. There's a huge footprints in front of the car. She didn't have a chance. How old is the victim? 37. Okay, no. 37 years old according to her ID. Is this area known for mimic activity? No, not at all. Dah tiba pula sebagai perempuan pula. But it seems like they are expanding their territory. I bet that, oh my gosh, it's still close, probably somewhere in the woods digesting her. You are sent to take care of it? Yes, yes, that's why I'm here. I'm tasked with finding and neutralizing it. We drive around the area and ask if someone has seen something suspicious. Sounds like a plan. You have a map of the area on your laptop, right? Yes, I have a map. Sounds good. If you want, you can take a look. Aku tekan laju. Will do. What? See. Kita lah tadi. See you back at the station. Stay safe. Oh, itu. Okay. A lot of blood, but no single piece of flesh. The handbag of the victim. Nothing was stolen. What was this? Apa dia mengokok apa ni? Aduh. Turn off siap. Kita bagi. There's a huge footprint. Probably belongs to the mimic. What the heck is the mimic, bro? Oh, nice. Detective. Yes, sir. Wah, aku detektif lah, betul lah. Okay, jom kita gerak. Jom bang, kita gerak sendiri bang. Takut tak bang? Nathan, subject a lot of his hour ago. There was call from someone reporting an abandoned car with a lot of blood next to it. You know what that means. Investigate the crime scene. After that, to drive around the area, use your map. How? People ask if they've seen anything weird. If you encounter a mimic, neutralize it with your firearm. Don't get cornered. Mimics are highly trained predators. Good luck. Sekejap, mimik ni bukan ke sejenis makhluk yang tak boleh dibunuh? What? Okay, where am I? Aku kat mana sekarang ni? Ada cabin, camping spot, farm, motel, gas station, trailer park. Farm, camping spot. Okay, bismillah. Why gelap? Baik siap. Okay, sekarang ni aku kat gas station. Okay, this is okay. Sini crime scene. Ini gas station. Gas station masuk sini. Trailer. Ada di jalan. Oh ya, betul ada di jalan. Okay, fine. So sini ke trailer park, ini ke motel. Okay, baik. Kita as a detective siasat dua. Parking tak elok. Mampus lah. Ya. Assalamualaikum. Aku nak pasal apa sih? What can I do for you, sir? There was a mimic attack just down the road. Damn, that's bad for business. Do you know anything that could help me with the search? I haven't noticed anything weird so far. Everything is just as always. Really? Nothing at all? No. Only thing I know is that you should be very careful. Nowadays, they are really good at pretending to be human. What the heck? Lepas tu, mimik ni boleh dibunuh. And they are more dangerous than ever. People say they are evolving and learning from human. Thanks, but that is information that is already known to us. Anyway, thanks. Don't you mind something to fill up your car, sir? I'm good, thanks. Good luck with the search, officer. What is this? Cuma nak tanya lah, yang akak family mak tu dah kena pecat ke? Okay, motel ke trailer park? Aku rasa motel dululah. Kita gerak sini, cabin. Motel lah. Signal tu. Tak. Ui, gelap siap. Tak ada gelap macam. Ini nampak lagi dia ikut lampu tau tak? Depan tak nampak tau. Ni dia betul kan aku jalan kan? Betul kan? Parking. Boleh dah ni. Assalamualaikum. Seram siapa. May I help you, sir? Semua karakter aku sama je lah. Actually I'm here because a mimic was active down the road. Do you have anything that could help me? A mimic, you say? Damn, I just hope I will never meet one of these things. I myself haven't noticed anything weird. But there's a farm east from here. Dah kenapa cakap Cina pula. Maybe they can help you more than I do. You could also follow the road up north. There's an area that is used for camping. Camping Confirm camping Alright, thank you for your time. Confirm Okay, camping. Aku nak check semua dulu Tak, benda ni kan senyap sangat tu. Sumpah, aku tak suka. Game horror ni, dia yang menakutkan adalah bunyi dia. Dia punya sound effect tu. Macam kalau keluar hantu, tapi dia tak ada bunyi effect tu. Tak ada tu takut. Tapi sebab bunyi effect tu yang membuatkan dia macam yelah. Ya, camping. Dia kata camping. Camping spot. Aku macam nak pergi farm dulu Lah kita pergi camping lah. Bayangkan kau drive sorang-sorang malam-malam dengan tak ada keretanya. Kita vibe. Uish, aku tak boleh duk. Istighfar lah kau banyak-banyak. Mana camping spot dia tu? Sini ke? Tapi jap, aku nak check. Ni ke? Okay, ni tu suruh jalan. Okay. Hello? Someone is there? What do you want? I'm a police officer. I'm here to investigate a mimic related incident. Can I talk to you for a second? We can talk, but I will keep this door closed for my own safety. There's no issue. So, you know anything that could help me out? No. Not me, but there's a homeless guy. Last night, he came to my tent. Want some change? He said some tough stuff about hearing screams coming from the woods. I thought he was bullshitting me, or that he was on something. Anyway, if you want to talk to him, just follow the road eastwards. There are certain people that will do. Thank you for your time. Stay safe, officer. I will. Wait, east side. East side is the cabin lah. East side cabin. So, okay, sekejap. Aku rasa kan cabin ni akan jadi last destination. So, aku nak check dulu semua tempat. Ni macam kau punya badan kau ni. Okay bang. Ada okey ke? Got any spare change, officer? Sure, here, take this. Thank you so much. I'm here to investigate a mimic report. Do you have anything to help me out? A mimic? Oh, that's bad. Really bad. I hear screams sometimes at night. You see this road going up there? I think there's a house, and the screams were coming from there. I think you should take a look. I guess I have to. Thanks, and make sure to stay out of trouble. I will, officer. Kau ingat aku ni berani sangat ke? Bencinya aku. Cabin tu dia macam rumah tau. Dia rumah. Pasal rumah asal lah. Apa macam ni siap. Perlu tak aku pergi kat farm? Aku rasa macam perlu. So aku pergi farm dululah. Ya bang Aku nak check semua tempat. Trailer, farm. Something's weird, man. Tak tahu tapi macam pelik tu. Ada orang tak ingat. Aku cakap apa tadi? Sound effect. Sound effect dia yang menyeramkan. Wait, I help you, officer. Damn, you scared the crap out of me. God damn. Are you the owner of this farm? Yes, this is my property, sir. I'm here because we have reports of mimic activity in this area. Do you know anything that could help me out? Let me think for a second. Not really. I haven't noticed anything weird. But I also heard rumors about people seeing or hearing them in the woods. I personally don't fear them. I make sure to lock all the doors, and I keep my rifle close to me. Thank you for your time. If you notice something weird, make sure to forward that information to the police. Have a good night. Good night and stay safe, officer. Parkinson ke apa siapa dia? Kau ni dah lah kerjakan aku. Siao. Tu percaya tu. Betul lah. Tapi Cik. Ada okey ke? What's up, Paul? Your car broke down? No, the engine just got a bit too hot. I'm waiting for it to cool down before driving off. What do you need, officer? We have reports that there could be a mimic around this area. Do you know anything helpful? Yes, it's me. Very funny. You do know that stupid jokes like this can land you in jail. Sorry, officer. It was a bad joke. I will let you get away this time. I have to continue my search now. Stay safe, officer, and good luck with your search. I'm just kidding. No. Okay, trailer park over there. And there's two people. Wait, yeah. What the freak do you want? Easy there, pal. I'm just here to ask a few questions. People don't like cops around here. Make it quick. I'm here for an investigation. A mimic was active. A mimic was active in the area around the nearby gas station. Damn, that's where I get my that place too expensive anyway. Do you know anything that will be useful to me? No, I'm all day. Nothing else to do around here. People here don't believe the official narrative. They say the government used them to keep the population down. They don't like us common folks. You use them to get rid of us. This is not true. Otherwise, we're going to try to neutralize them. After them, sebut neutralize susah. So, have you noticed anything odd in the last day? No, at all. Everything is as always. Try your luck somewhere else, cop. Good night, sir. Hello. I'm not talking with the cops. God damn it. I just want to ask a few questions. As I said, I'm not talking with cops. Talk with all NPC. Yay! Kau gajar. Tapi kau gajar. Sumpah kau gajar. Okay, semua NPC Wah dah cakap. Sekarang kita boleh pergi ke cabin. And aku tak suka. Sebab apa? Mesti something punya. Berpasir kan. Kau berpasir dia macam tanah yang tak tak apa nak. Degedak tu. Kenapa pintu terbuka? You can do this. Bismillah. Tak masuk lagi. Assalamualaikum. Hello? Anyone? No. Tiba-tiba guru pistol. Luar ke? What if? Shut up. What if? Itulah mimik. Ingat aku nak percaya? Kau ingat aku nak percaya? Kau ingat aku tak takut? Aku takut. Sekejap. Okay, aku dengar belah kiri. Bismillah. The fish. Sabar doh. Aku takut ni. Kau keluar sekarang. Satu benda je, jangan FPS drop. Mana kau? Keluar je lah. Aku tahu tu mimik. Sekejap. Jerit lagi. Lagi. Auzubillah. Auzubillah. Aku takut. No. Kau dengar bunyi dia? What is that? Kalau kat belakang, aku takut. Mana? Bismillah. Oh, survive the mimic encounter. Jadi mimic search. Yeah, that's the mimic search. I didn't know. Oh, itu je. Macam tu je game dia. Aku tak tahu ending dia, just mati. And aku ingatkan mimic search tu hantu. Rupanya just orang gila macam tu lah kot rasanya lah. Tapi mimic search pun hantu kan sebenarnya. Entahlah. Okay. Kalau korang tengok video sampai habis, thank you so much. Thank you kepada siapa yang tengok video sampai habis. And please tolong subscribe, like and share. See you guys on the next video. Jumpa korang di video yang seterusnya. Tak tahulah video apa, mungkin ML ke YD ke ataupun horror, I don't know. Aku tak buat jadual tu macam ni, macam horror hari ni untuk tak buat jadual. Just macam rasa nak horror lah, aku bukan horror lah. Rasa nak ni lah, mobile lah, nak sakit hati, nak apa ni, sakit mental lah, mobile lah. Jadi okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum. Ciao.